Hello, and welcome to a Nation Leader tutorial for Era of Reason. This tutorial will be covering how to create loadouts and properly submit them in order for them to be added to the game. Before starting, make sure you have the loadout template that you can find either in the Nation Shouts channel or in the description of this video. Once that's installed, drag and drop it into a game you already have open on Studio, and you are ready to continue with this tutorial. For starters, open the template folders until you reach the folders titled Rank. This is where you will be adding all the equipment and values for the loadout. You can have up to 6 ranks per regiment, and you can have an unlimited number of regiments per nation. Rename the nation folder to the name of your nation, the regiment folder to whichever regiment you plan on configuring, and the rank folder to the specific rank you are going to set up. We will start with the easiest part, adding the shirt and pants. Copy and paste the ID of the shirts and pants into the already existing shirt and pant values in the rank folder. Next is the hat. Rename the model you're using to Hat with an uppercase H and ensure there are no models within the model. It is absolutely critical that you make sure the hat has a primary part value. You can verify this by selecting the hat and checking its properties. If it doesn't, click on the empty space next to primary part and then click on the object titled Head within the hat you're configuring. The part you want to set as your primary part could also be named Torso or Middle, and if there are no suitable primary parts, you will have to manually insert one. We will repeat the same thing for the bag. Rename the model to Bag with a capital B and check if it has a primary part. This bag does not have one, so we're going to click on the empty region next to the primary part and look through the bag for any part labeled Torso or Middle. This bag has a part labeled Middle, so we will assign that as the primary part. Delete the already existing hat and bag in the rank you're configuring and drag the new models you just configured into the folder. The final step is to assign the Loadouts class, which determines the weapons this loadout will get when it's assigned. Click on the class value and, under Properties, change the value to the class you want this loadout to receive. For a full list of classes you can assign to your loadouts, check the description of this video for a document that details every class along with the tools they get. Once that's finished, all that's left to do is delete the folder you didn't use. Right-click on the Nation folder and drag down to Save to File. DM that file directly to the chairman, and he will add it to the game.